So our Mailsack message is from a customer whose name is Leanne, and so this is what she wrote. I have sampled many CBD products lately and would have to say Max and Stevens earned 5 stars all around for their product. As a nurse for over 25 years, I've observed and experienced many levels of illness and suffering. It's important when ingesting any medicine to know what you're taking, and this product is one of the more pure and effective that I've sampled. It literally opened my pineal gland up with a small sample. For those that don't know about the pineal gland, there's a lot of information. You might pronounce that right, pineal gland?
Yeah.
There's a lot of information these days, but it's interesting that Leanne brings it up. Now, I know that this is not standard, as I'm very in tune to my energy and can feel the energy of the CBD, which most people cannot. But if you're looking for a high-quality product, this is the one. Thank you, Leanne. She says their company's professional, fastest shipping I've ever seen. I live in the boonies, and we're incredibly knowledgeable and compassionate. This is not just a business. I could feel it was their passion to help others, which is not the case with many new companies. She wished us thank you and offered us blessings, and we appreciate that. And we appreciate that we were able to help you and that it helps you get through your day, because that's ultimately why we do this. Right, Stephen?
Mm-hmm.